Imagine if minutes from now you could tap into the ultimate Zoom killer software and start getting paid big fat $1,000 plus commissions straight to your bank account, without any traffic, product, or work. That's right, a virtually unlimited, untapped 24/7 income stream that maximizes your profit with zero work for you. And it's all 100% newbie friendly, 100% done for you, 200% money back guarantee if it doesn't work for you. How? Simple. You only need two things to succeed online. Number 1, traffic. Number 2, something to sell. And let me tell you, all the traffic right now is going to live and recorded webinars, video meetings, and whiteboard-style video presentations. Zoom alone now has over 300 million daily users. And there's no better way to sell than through the power of video. So what if you could combine the power of unlimited traffic from live webinars, videos, and events with the incredible potential to sell high-ticket products at high conversions without doing any of the work yourself? And I do mean zero, nothing for you to do. It would lead to a revolution in internet marketing unlike any other. Introducing Profitprime. Profitprime is the ultimate all-in-one webinar software that lets you tap into the global craze for video meetings, live conferences, and webinars for unlimited free traffic. It lets you run webinars with unlimited attendees, both live and pre-recorded ones. Then it gets you done-for-you traffic for free and even ready-made products to promote. What's more is that you can use this in other ways in your business too. Jump on video calls with clients, start live conferences with your team, or chat with your family and friends if you really want to impress them. That's because Profitprime comes with its own proprietary streaming technology that uses revolutionary cloud compression in order to deliver a zero-lag HD stream experience at all times. And all without ever collecting or sharing your personal information in order to target you with ads. Our world-class encryption makes sure that your data, videos, and streams remain yours. Profitprime gets you ready for prime time, without you even having to be live on camera, unless you want to. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Log into this stunning cloud-based software. There is nothing for you to set up, configure, or host. Step number 2. Create your webinar, video meeting, or live conference and add your affiliate link. You can even stream recorded videos or webinar replays we provide you if you don't want to be live yourself. Step number 3. Relax, as Profitprime blasts your link through our Autoresponder to thousands of people, shares your stream all over social media, and brings you $1,000 plus commissions on autopilot. Traffic methods are 100% free and automated. Traffic comes from all your different live streams. Plus, you can share your webinars on dozens of social media platforms for an instant influx of viral traffic. With everyone right now watching webinars, attending online video conferences, and so on, you'll get thousands of viewers in no time. How cool is that? We're literally handing over the full benefits of webinars while removing 100% of the obstacles. And the best part? No monthly fees either. See, for a long time, running webinars has been a costly experience reserved for the elites. By charging prohibitive 3-figure monthly prices, only the so-called gurus have had access to this incredibly high-converting system. You know and I know too, that running webinars can be a very profitable business, but ridiculous limitations and even more ridiculous $400 monthly fees puts off many people from doing webinars in the first place. Zoom alone charges $3,500 plus per year just for access to their webinar platform. Profitprime is much more affordable, comes with a one-time fee, and includes much more. So don't wait any longer and get access to Profitprime, the most revolutionary piece of software that every marketer needs to tap into the biggest traffic sources of the planet right now. Hurry and join today.